3 most common ways to say I love you in Malay. Saya cinta kamu. Used in serious relationships or romantic contexts. Saya sayang kamu. Used between couples, friends, or even family members. Aku cinta padamu. Used in closer relationships. Please like and subscribe. You will learn Malay more. There are 2 ways to say no need in Malay. Number 1, tak perlu, informal or common usage. Example, tak perlu risau. No need to worry. Tak perlu bawa apa-apa. No need to bring anything. Number 2, tak payah, colloquial. Example, tak payah buat kerja ni. No need to do this work. Tak payah beli makanan. No need to buy food. Please comment, like, and subscribe so you'll learn Malay for free. In English, we often say, long time no see, to express it's been a while since we've met someone. In Malay, we say, lama tak jumpa. It's a friendly way to greet someone you haven't seen in a while. In English, if you want to ask someone if they can speak English, you say, can you speak English? In Malay, the common way to say this is, boleh cakap Inggeris tak? Let's break it down. Boleh means can. Cakap means speak. English is Inggeris. Tak. At the end makes it a yes, no question. So, if you're in Malaysia and need help, just ask, boleh cakap Inggeris tak? In English, when you have a lot to do, you say, I'm busy. In Malay, the standard way to say this is, saya sibuk. Polite and formal. But in daily conversation, people usually say, aku sibuk. More casual. Want to sound like a local? Try. Sibuk gila, meaning I'm super busy. Or if someone asks you out, but you're busy, just say, tak boleh. Sibuk, meaning I can't, I'm busy. Now you try, comment, sibuk gila, if you've ever been super busy. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fun Malay lessons. In English, we say, I'm confused, when we don't understand something. In Malay, you can say, saya keliru. For casual situations, people also say, aku blur, or just blur, which comes from English. Example, saya keliru dengan arahan ini. I'm confused with these instructions. Or, aku blur lah. I'm totally lost. Now you know how to say I'm confused in Malay. Try using it today. In English, we say I'm excited when we feel happy and thrilled about something. In Malay, the common way to say this is saya teruja, a polite and standard phrase. If you're feeling extremely excited, you can say seronok gila, which means crazy fun. Now you know how to express excitement in Malay. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Malay lessons. In English, we say, I'm proud of you to show encouragement. In Malay, you can say, saya bangga dengan awak, for a formal way. For casual situations, people say, aku bangga dengan kau, or simply, bangga gila, which means super proud. Example, saya bangga dengan awak, sebab kerja keras. I'm proud of you for working hard. Now you know how to say, I'm proud of you in Malay. Try using it today. In English, we say, I'm scared, when we feel fear. In Malay, you can say, saya takut. Saya takut. For a formal way. For casual situations, people say, aku takut. Aku takut. Or simply, seram gila. Seram gila, which means super scary. Example, saya takut gelap. I'm scared of the dark. Now you know how to say I'm scared in Malay. Try using it today. In English, we say I like and I dislike to express preferences. In Malay, we say saya suka for I like and saya tak suka for I dislike. For example, Saya suka kopi. I like coffee. But if you don't like it, say, Saya tak suka kopi. I don't like coffee. Now you can express what you like and dislike in Malay. Try using it today. Hey everyone! Today, let's learn how to say I agree in Malay. The formal way to say it is Saya setuju. And in casual speech, just say setuju. Example, Awak rasa idea ni bagus? Do you think this idea is good? Year, Saya setuju. Yes, I agree. Now it's your turn. Apa pendapat awak? Setuju? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Malay lessons. In English, we say I'm bored when we have nothing to do. In Malay, we say saya bosan. For example, if you're sitting at home with nothing to do, you can say saya bosan, I'm bored. If your friend asks, what's wrong? Kenapa? You can reply, saya bosan, tak tahu nak buat apa. I'm bored, I don't know what to do. To make it sound more casual, you can say, bosanlah, so boring. Now you know how to say I'm bored in Malay. Comment below. What do you do when you feel bored? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun Malay lessons. Hey everyone! Today, let's learn how to say that's interesting in Malay. In Malay, we say, menarik, or itu menarik, when something catches our attention. You can also say, wah, menariknya, to sound more expressive. Like and subscribe for more Malay lessons.
In English, we say, what do you think, when we ask for someone's opinion. But how do we say it in Malay? The most common way is, apa pendapat kamu? Or, apa pendapat awak? Example, what do you think of this dress? Apa pendapat awak tentang baju ini? Want to sound more natural? Just say, apa pendapat you? In common conversations. Try it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Malay lessons. Di pejabat pos, at the post office. Saya nak hantar bungkusan. I want to send a parcel. Ke mana? Where to? Berapa harga pos? How much is the postage? RM10? RM10? Berapa lama sampai? How long will it take? Dalam 3 hari? Around 3 days? Boleh semak bungkusan tak? Can I track my parcel? Boleh ini nombor tracking? Yes, here's the tracking number. Jual sampul surat tak? Do you sell envelopes? Ya, RM1 satu? Yes, RM1 each. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.
If you want to ask someone if they're feeling well, you say, awak sihat? Which means, are you healthy? To talk about healthy habits, you can say, gaya hidup sihat, which means a healthy lifestyle. And if you're feeling unwell, just say, saya tak sihat, which means I'm not feeling well. Now you know how to use sihat in Malay. Stay healthy and practice your Malay every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Awak buat apa hari ni? That means, what are you doing today? Cuaca hari ni panas, kan? That means the weather is hot today, isn't it? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to learn more Malay language for free. Thanks for watching.